English speaking practice about morning routine. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my English Academy. Today we'll practice 100 useful questions and answers about your morning routine. These daily questions and answers will help you sound more natural in real-life situations. Stay with us, speak out loud, and let's improve your English together. Let's get started.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
Do you use an alarm to wake up?
Yes, I use an alarm every morning.
What is the first thing you do after waking up?
I turn off my alarm and get out of bed.
Do you make your bed every morning?
Yes, I make my bed before I leave my room.
How do you feel when you wake up?
I usually feel refreshed and ready for the day.
Do you open the curtains in the morning?
Yes, I like to let the sunlight into my room.
Do you drink water after waking up?
Yes, I drink a glass of water every morning.
What do you do before breakfast?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I usually take a shower before breakfast.
How long does your morning routine take?
It usually takes about 1 hour.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs, toast, and fruit.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
I usually drink coffee with my breakfast.
Do you enjoy eating breakfast?
Yes, breakfast is my favorite meal of the day.
Who do you have breakfast with?
I usually have breakfast with my family.
Do you watch TV while eating breakfast?
No, I usually listen to music instead.
What do you do after breakfast?
I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Yes, I check my messages after breakfast.
Do you check the weather every morning?
Yes, I like to know what the weather will be like.
How do you choose your clothes?
I choose clothes that match the weather.
Do you prepare your bag before leaving home?
Yes, I always pack everything I need.
What do you always take with you?
I always take my phone, wallet, and keys.
Do you leave home early?
Yes, I like to leave home a little early.
How do you go to work or school?
I usually go by bus.
Do you enjoy your morning commute?
Yes, I enjoy listening to music on the way.
Do you say good morning to people?
Yes, I always greet people with a smile.
What do you see on your way to work?
I see many people walking and driving.
Do you like cool mornings?
Yes, I think cool mornings are very pleasant.
What do you do when you arrive at work?
I turn on my computer and check my emails.
Do you make a to-do list?
Yes, I write down my tasks every morning.
Do you like working in the morning?
Yes, I feel more focused in the morning.
What helps you stay awake?
A cup of coffee helps me stay awake.
Do you take a short break in the morning?
Yes, I usually take a short break around 10 o'clock.
What do you do during your break?
I stretch my body and drink some water.
Do you enjoy the morning weather?
Yes, I enjoy the fresh air and sunshine.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes I go for a short walk before work.
How often do you exercise in the morning?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Do you like peaceful mornings?
Yes, peaceful mornings help me relax.
What makes your morning better?
A healthy breakfast and good music make my morning better.
Do you read anything in the morning?
Yes, I sometimes read the news or a book.
Do you practice English in the morning?
Yes, I practice English for about 20 minutes.
How do you practice English?
I read, listen, and speak English every morning.
Do you learn new words every day?
Yes, I learn a few new words every morning.
Do you enjoy your morning routine?
Yes, it helps me feel organized.
Why is a morning routine important?
It helps me start the day in a positive way.
Do you feel sleepy in the morning?
Sometimes I do, but I wake up quickly after breakfast.
What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at around 6:30 this morning.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept very well.
Did you have any dreams?
Yes, I had a nice dream.
Are you feeling tired this morning?
No, I feel full of energy.
Who wakes up first in your family?
My father usually wakes up first.
Do you like waking up early?
Yes, I enjoy quiet mornings.
What do you do after turning off your alarm?
I get out of bed and stretch my body.
Do you check the time after waking up?
Yes, I always check the time.
Do you open your windows in the morning?
Yes, I like to let in some fresh air.
What is the first thing you drink in the morning?
I usually drink a glass of water.
Do you wash your face with warm or cold water?
I usually wash it with cold water.
Do you shave in the morning?
Yes, I shave before I go to work.
How long do you stay in the bathroom?
About 15 minutes.
Do you sing while taking a shower?
Sometimes I sing my favorite songs.
What color clothes are you wearing today?
I'm wearing a blue shirt and black pants.
Who prepares breakfast in your house?
My mother usually prepares breakfast.
Can you cook breakfast by yourself?
Yes, I can cook simple meals.
Do you help your family in the morning?
Yes, I help set the table.
What do you usually have with your coffee?
I usually have toast or cookies.
Do you eat breakfast quickly or slowly?
I like to eat breakfast slowly.
Do you talk with your family during breakfast?
Yes, we talk about our plans for the day.
What do you usually talk about in the morning?
We talk about work, school, and the weather.
Do you listen to the news in the morning?
Sometimes I listen to the morning news.
Do you like quiet mornings?
Yes, they help me feel relaxed.
Do you check your calendar in the morning?
Yes, I check my schedule every day.
Do you have many things to do today?
Yes, I have a busy day ahead.
How is the weather outside?
It looks sunny and warm today.
What are you doing right now?
I'm getting ready for work.
Can you make me a cup of coffee?
Sure, I'll make one for you.
Can you help me prepare breakfast?
Of course. What would you like to make?
Did you wash your face?
Yes, I washed my face a few minutes ago.
Did you brush your teeth?
Yes, I brushed them after I woke up.
Have you taken a shower yet?
Yes, I took a shower before breakfast.
Are you still sleepy?
A little, but I'm waking up now.
What would you like for breakfast?
I'd like eggs and toast, please.
Can you fry the eggs?
Sure, I'll cook them right away.
Would you like some tea or coffee?
I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Can you pour me a glass of orange juice?
Yes, I'll bring it to you.
Is breakfast ready yet?
Almost. It will be ready in a few minutes.
Can you set the table?
Yes, I'll do it now.
Can you pass me the butter?
Sure, here you go.
Where is the bread?
It's on the kitchen counter.
Can you toast the bread for me?
Yes, I'll toast it now.
Did you make the coffee?
Yes, it's hot and ready.
Do you want some fruit with your breakfast?
Yes, I'd love some bananas.
Can you cut the apples, please?
Of course, I'll cut them into slices.
What time is it now?
It's almost 7:30.
Are we running late?
No, we still have plenty of time.
Have you packed your bag?
Yes, everything is ready.
Did you check your phone?
Yes, I replied to my messages.
Have you checked today's weather?
Yes, it might rain this afternoon.
Should I take an umbrella?
Yes, that's a good idea.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for my keys.
Did you find your keys?
Yes, they were on the table.
Where are your shoes?
They're by the front door.
Can you help me find my jacket?
Sure, it's hanging in the closet.
Are you ready to leave?
Almost. I just need my bag.
Did you lock the front door?
Yes, I locked it before we left.
Can you wait for me?
Sure, I'll wait outside.
How are you feeling this morning?
I feel great and full of energy.
That's all for today. Thanks for learning with us. Subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. See you in the next episode.